Words spill out of your mouth. You wish you were someone else. I miss you, but I know you miss your old self too. Never once go.
Hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome back again to the channel. So we have an unboxing, and this is what we have. This laundry is a three-tier tower heated AIRER, and this is what it's looking like. I might put the picture somewhere. So it's a heated AIRER whereby you hang your clothes and then you plug it in, leave it on. I think it has a cover, so I'll unbox it now and show you guys. So yeah, let's unbox this together. This is the AIRER, and this is in here. Let's have a look. So look. Okay. So this is a part of the AIRER. This is the manual. There we go. Here we go. So yeah, once we set it up, I'll show you guys the final look at what it looks like. But like I said, it's a heated AIRER, and this is the switch, the what's it called? Is this switch? And this is the power button. I don't know if you guys can see it. That's the power button. Cover. Okay. Yeah. So that's the cover. That's what it looks like. So once it's been set up, you take this cover and cover it so that it heats. So for the longest time, I've been wanting to get this, and I'm so happy I got it. We didn't buy it brand new. It's brand new, as you guys can see. I just unboxed it, but we bought it off Facebook Market from someone, and it was new. The person said she got it, or yeah, she got it too, something like that. And yeah, I bought it for £60, and it was a good buy. Trust me, it was a good buy. Once I set it up, like I said, I'll show you guys. Okay, so gone are the days, and because I have a manual one, so that one we just hang the clothes and it stays there. Sometimes it stays 2 days, 3 days before it really dries. Yeah, but in the summer we take it out at once at times, and the clothes dries immediately. But that manual one, I think I'll put it out for sale, and or I might just keep it for summertime. Yeah, but this is one we are going to be using now, and I'm so happy. I mean, super happy we got this. Yeah, so let me know in the comment section, what do you think about heated AIRERs? I think this one doesn't consume so much energy. I don't think it does. I don't think it consumes a lot. I don't think it consumes a lot, but anyhow, we figure it out. And yeah, so Let me know in the comment section which AIRER do you use. Do you use the heated one or you use the normal AIRER? I would like to know in the comment section. Okay, so I'll show you guys once I set it up. Just show you guys. So this is what we have. We set it up and this is what we have. It has a zipper hose, small holes here and there. So we open it. It's on now, as you can see. So this is what it's looking like this way, and it has a zip here. So you take the zip off. So this cloth has been drying for 3 hours? Yeah, 3 hours now, and they're all dried and hot. Yeah, so that's the good one. And I washed some clothes now that in the washing machine. Once I take these ones off, I'll put those ones here to dry. So it's very, it's not hot. It's kind of, you can see I'm touching it with my bare skin. So it's not the kind of hot that will burn your skin, but it's doing the job. Yeah, it is. So come on, love. Carry this ones. Take it upstairs in your room. Okay. Go on, love. Careful. So these ones are all dried as well.
Mommy, my tablet is doing music. Happy birthday! And let's go to school with Daddy.
Oh, singing happy birthday.
My tablet piano.
Oh, is it? So this was the manual one we had. Yeah, this is what it's looking like. Let me go back a bit. So yeah, this was the guys. This one here is the manual one we had. It takes like 2 days before before clothes will dry. So that's why we decided to buy the heated one. So yeah, and this one we'll be putting this one up for sale in Facebook Market. Support others of using. And I have my pages.
No way I'd let you say bye. You said the
chicken stock. My grilled turkey.
Been searching, silencing my mind, trying to be patient but running out of time. No way I'd let you say goodbye. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no meaning, I just wanna understand everything that I
Look at that. Look at that. Hi, look at that fried rice. You still have some more here. Hey, 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 hey.